It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
with Q.
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Ayo, Q.
Brian, all the
You
time,
feel?
you know me.
I just gotta. What's the word? It's your boy Dashinq Q on this gloomy hump day. It's real look like it's gonna rain today, but hey, it's all right. We out here. It's 7:30. Decided to get out and get a little 30-minute jump. Try to at least, but let's go ahead and get into the action and see what's cracking today. I know it's stat day, so y'all, we ain't expecting too many a ton of profit. I should for sure make my 100 today. I don't have any distractions in it, so let's go ahead and get it. You guys, first order of the day is a Taco Bell, $3.50 for 5 miles. Oh my God! And it's ready. It's ready. This is the drop off. Starbucks, $8.50 for 6.4 miles. Do you think I'm happy about that? Yeah. Starbucks drop. They ready for Halloween. Y'all, I was out in the country and they sent me a $6 for 2.4 miles. It's a diamond order. You feel me? We back down. Hopefully. All right, this is the customer's drop. She said leave it by the lobby, so we're gonna leave it here in the lobby for her. All right, man, I guess, they gonna tease me, let me know I got some glimmer of hope, and then go ahead and slap me in my damn face. $6 for 5.3 miles, man. Starbucker. Oh, man. Oh, God. All right. Starbucks. Yep. Oh, yep. Have a good one. All these apartments, man. They're huge. Like, huge apartments. Got a 561 for 4 miles. Oh my God. They're not gonna stop, but we're not gonna stop either. So let's get it. Y'all, we got a Taco John joint. Not the greatest order, but we gotta do it. It's Hell Week. We're doing it. We're knocking it out. 650. 650 for 4 miles. Starbucks order pickup. Hey. All we can do is keep on moving, y'all. Keep chugging the Starbucker. Not so good order, $6.50 for 4.5, I think. It's all good though. You know what we're doing it for. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a $5 6-mile Panda Express. We can't dodge them. We can't dodge them. Just go ahead, knock them out like we have been. Hopefully this one is ready. Think it is. It might be. Let's get it. See other Dashers looking in their phone with their head down, looking all sad, looking, waiting and shit. Look at that look. Look how he looking. When you see him like that, just know your ass in for a long ride, buddy. We got an Arby's order. $6 for 2.3 miles, man. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. It's packed in here. It's popping. All right. Let's go ahead and get this order dropped off. Customer took me through a doozy to get here. All right, y'all. We back popping, man. And I think I'm back in a gate. I'm in a dough. I got a $10 for 3 mile Panera bread. Y'all kidding me? We back like that? You feel? Panera bread. Look how many orders is in front of me. Jesus Christ. All right, we got order number 1 drop off for that Panera bread. Hi, I have a delivery for Hubbard?
Yes, it's Suite 1, right?
Okay, thank you. Hubbard? All right, have a great day. Off second half of this drop off for Panera Bread, that $10 order I just received. And we gonna keep going. You a Doordash?
Yes.
Thank you. You have a great day. I got terrible Chick-fil-A order. A terrible Chick-fil-A order. $7.50 for 60 miles. No sucky. Oh, I think I got it. We got a Dairy Queen. It's not so happy. Look at that order. It's ugly, ain't it? Keep going. All right, so drop off for that Dairy Queen. You feel? All right, we got a Greek Cravens of $7.75 plus for 2.2 miles, man. But look, every time I go in here, man, they don't prepare the meal until I get in there. Let's see what happens. I hope she got it prepared, but I'm not counting on it. Hey, we got another diamond. Y'all know what time it is. For Panera Bread, a $7.50 for 2.2 miles. $7.50 for 2.2 miles. Another diamond. You feel me? We back in the money. And that was the day, ladies and gentlemen. We had a smooth, it was a crazy start. Yeah, I took some orders that I didn't, but I had to make that sacrifice. I'm at a 63% AR right now, which is I'm definitely excited about. I'm kind of in a rush right now. I'm on my way to work. That last order took a little bit later than I expected it to, but hey, we made it to 63% AR. Pushing up to 70, and we're gonna keep on going until it's sky high. You feel me? But I made like $100 today. Somewhat. The total will be up there. AR and all that mess will be over there, and we'll catch y'all in the morning. Peace.